Host. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest beauty tips and tricks. Today we're going to be talking about tutorials for different makeup looks. Cut to a close-up of the host. Host. Makeup is all about self-expression. So it's important to have a few go-to looks that you can rely on for any occasion. Whether you're headed to work, a night out with friends, or a special event, these tutorials will help you achieve the perfect makeup look for any occasion. Cut to tutorial footage. Host. Let's start with the natural makeup look. This look is perfect for those days when you want to look put together without going over the top. Start with a tinted moisturizer or light foundation and add a touch of blush to the apples of your cheeks. Use a neutral eyeshadow to define your eyes and finish off with a coat of mascara and a nude lip. Cut back to host. Host. Next up, we have the classic Smokey Eye. This look is perfect for a night out or a special event. Start by applying a dark eyeshadow to your eyelid and blending it outwards. Add a touch of shimmer to the inner corner of your eye. And finish off with bold eyeliner and false lashes for added drama. Cut back to tutorial footage. Host. If you're looking for something a bit more colorful, try the bold lip look. Choose a bright lipstick that complements your skin tone and keeps the rest of your makeup minimal. This look is perfect for those days when you want to make a statement with your makeup. Cut back to host. Host. And finally, we have the no makeup look. This look is all about looking fresh-faced and natural. Start with a light foundation and add a touch of bronzer to your cheeks for a healthy glow. Use a clear mascara to define your lashes and finish off with a tinted lip balm. Cut back to tutorial footage. Host. And there you have it, 4 different makeup looks to add to your repertoire. Whether you're a makeup pro or a beginner, these tutorials will help you achieve the perfect look for any occasion. Cut back to host. Host. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more beauty content. Until next time, take care and happy makeup-ing.